This is going to be a self-myofascial release series. The last movement we're going to show you is your lower back. This is something you can do if you have low back pain, right?
Yep.
Okay. So
you're going to get down on the floor, lay on your back, and again, use a corner of a wall, or you can use a doorway. And if you don't have that, I mean, you could just do it straight against the wall, but you're going to see in a sec why it's a little more effective if you use a corner or a doorway. So laying on your back, you're going to put it on one side of your low back. In this case, Katie's on her right side. And you're only working on the muscles. You're not on your spine or anything like that. So you're going to take your foot of the opposite leg and put it against the wall, like so. And then Katie's just going to rotate her leg to the opposite side. So what she's doing is just incorporating or putting a little more pressure on the right side where the ball is. And then she's just going to take her right knee and bring it towards her chest. And then kick back out. You always want to do this nice and slow and controlled. Listen to your body. If it's too uncomfortable, change how far you kick out, how much pressure you put on the ball. And remember to breathe. And then if you want to get a little more stretch, you're going to take your knee and bring it towards your chest. So work all the way of your low back, all the way down to the crest of your ilium, your iliac crest. So the bone at the top of your hip. And remember doing this 2 minutes just for that muscle. And then move on to another muscle. All right, so this is just another variation for the low back. If you don't want to get down on the floor, if your floor is really dirty, you're just going to lean up against the wall at an angle. And again, you're going to kind of put your feet a little bit away from the wall. And all you're going to do is you're going to just bend either to the side or an angle, kind of touch your toes. So just tacking it down and stretching it. And you go as, yep, just kind of roll back and forth for some cross fiber.
You can find all of the videos in this series in my playlist, and all the information is going to be below about Chris and everything he does and the series itself.